Hey everybody, welcome to Candid Detail, and this week we're going to take this old water cooler here and we're going to make it look new.
Dude, what the
What?
Really?
Really what? You said you wanted more branding around the shop, more OP branding. Thought a little nice OP mascot would be nice.
OP, marketing, and vandalism, two different things.
Is it vandalism if you own the washer though?
Is it vandalism if you take a paint can and go ahead and spray OP on a brand new washer?
I don't know, is it? That's what I'm asking.
I don't think it's marketing.
But can vandalism be marketing? I mean, at the same time, like, nothing says vandalism can't be marketing. It's guerrilla marketing.
Well, at least you were able to spell. So how are you going to clean this up?
Why does it got to be cleaned up?
It is not staying.
Think how happy every customer's get.
No.
I could do the sink instead.
No. Just no.
I really gotta clean this up?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. It's a new damn washer. What do you mean do you have to clean it up?
It looks so nice.
It does not look nice.
That's OP.
It's not OP.
Okay. I mean, I can try taking it off.
There's no trying. It's going to get done. It's going to look new again.
I might have to get some white spray paint.
It's going to look new again.
It's going to look like new.
Negative.
It's going to look
Negative.
like
It is going to look new again.
We'll see.
There's no we'll see. It just will.
So this week on Candid Detail, I'm gonna try to get spray paint off this washer. So to tackle this problem, this very unique problem, I got a couple different ideas. The first and easiest thing that I could do is use a really aggressive thinner like this one. You can get it from a paint store. The issue with this aggressive thinner is that it might cause more damage to the white paint than we want. So we're gonna leave this for last, just in case. What we're gonna use instead, that's gonna be a little bit safer, might take more elbow grease, is the OP Clean. It's just an all-purpose degreaser, and we're gonna really test its limits and see how well it can clean off the spray paint on this washer. So first, I'm just gonna spray on to the O. I'm gonna just let it sit there for a little bit. Let it just start breaking down some of that spray paint that's on there. I got myself a semi-clean microfiber towel. I'll probably be throwing away all these towels after this video, unfortunately. So yeah. So let's see, just after how long this has been sitting, how well it's gonna wipe off. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna be here all day if I keep this up. So I know you guys have seen me use the magic eraser quite a bit, especially on this series. So let's see what this little 1-2 combination can do. It's really heavy stuff, like where it dripped is it's gonna take a little bit more. Oh, this sounds beautiful. I love the sound of that. I want more of that. Don't tell my dad, but there's definitely spots I've eaten through from the spray paint already. OP Clean with the Magic Eraser combo worked pretty well. Took a little bit of elbow grease. Now I'm gonna try using lacquer thinner, and I'd be lying if I said I'm not nervous about this at all. Like I said, this can actually remove paint as well as the white paint. So hopefully we don't have that problem. Here's to fingers crossed on that. So if you're handling lacquer thinner, you want a disposable towel like this because you are gonna wanna throw this away properly. It could combust on itself. You also wanna be making sure you wear gloves while handling it and be very cautious. You don't wanna be inhaling too many fumes or anything like that from it. So just get a little bit on my paper towel here. All right, let's see the damage. Oh, so the lacquer thinner is already dried up, meaning it's dried the paint onto the surface. So I'm gonna get more lacquer thinner. It looks good, right?
No.
Passable. Oh.
No. Not passable.
Brought to my attention, why don't we see if a pressure washer would work? I have no idea if that would work, but we're gonna give it a shot. Since the pressure washer didn't work out that great, we're gonna go back to the tried and true, the OP clean with the magic eraser, and just get this knocked out. Get back in good graces with my father. Maybe make it on the inheritance in that will. Yeah. Let's see. All right. Oh, this is so much better. So much better. Got the black off, finally. So, like Damon said, he wants this to look new. So, that's what we're gonna do. So right now, where some of the heavier drips were in the spray paint, I can see that it's eaten through in some of those spots. The other thing I'm noticing, some wear and tear scratches all over this thing. So, we're gonna polish it. We got this new OP polish that we're gonna be coming out with soon. I thought this would be a good test to see if it can work on washers. So, here we go. Got it all cleaned up, all polished out. It's looking shiny, it's looking new. Now there is still some eat-through spots on there, the less noticeable. Hopefully Damon doesn't notice them at all. It's gonna be our little secret. I guess it's time for the reveal. See what Damon thinks. Did I pass? Or am I gonna be grounded even though I don't live at home anymore? Ta-da! Can't feel it. No.
Missed a spot, but hey, I'm sure you can get that off too. All right, so how did you do it? What did you do to get it off?
I used OP Clean and the magic eraser.
Okay.
That was primo. I'm sure you know lacquer thinner.
Yeah, in fact, I can even smell it. But go on.
It didn't work that great.
Okay.
It just hardened up the paint faster than I could wipe it, and so it made a very big mess.
Gotcha.
All over the face. But OP Clean and the magic eraser came in to save the day. And because you wanted it to look new, not like new, but new,
Oh yeah.
I polished the whole front. I didn't do the sides or the back.
What about the top?
Yeah, this top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I did the whole front.
Front.
Yeah, not the
Gotcha.
sides or the back.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like new. Really? I'm keeping every damn spray can that we have in the shop away from you.
You can always get more. Now, if you want your official OP merch and not just something somebody spray painted onto a washer or some other material, we will be having these shirts and those sweatshirts on our store hopefully soon. We just gotta get a few pieces put together, but we'll have them available at ownerspride.com. If you're interested in trying out OP Clean at home, you can go to ownerspride.com or check the links down below. Yeah, I mean, So I pass, I'm good,
You're good. It doesn't mean you're smart, but you're good.
but I'm still the favorite child.
All right.
That's what I thought. All right, so if you like what we put out there, give this video a like. I really appreciate it. We put a lot of work into this. If you're enjoying this series, make sure you subscribe, get all the notifications and everything. Leave a comment below. What's some more stuff I should mess up, right? All right, so I gotta get back to cleaning that water cooler though, so I'll catch you all next week. Have a great day.